Dear students, in this session, we are going to continue solving previous problems. Minimum number of times a fair coin must be tossed so that the probability of getting at least one hit is more than 99%. Options are 5, 8, 6, 7. So probability of hitting head 1 by 2, head or tail, it deals with binomial distribution. Q 1 minus P 1 minus 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2. It follows binomial distribution. Probability of x equal to x, ncx p power x q power n minus x n cx 1 by 2 whole power x 1 by 2 whole power n minus x, that is ncx 1 by 2 whole power n. Probability of getting at least one head greater than or equal to 1. Is at least 99%, that is greater than or equal to 99%. 1 minus probability of x less than 1 greater than or equal to 99%. 1 minus probability of x equal to 0 is greater than or equal to 99 by 100. One minus nc naught 1 by 2 whole power n greater than or equal to 99 by 100. So 1 minus 1 by 2 whole power n greater than or equal to 99 by 100. 1 minus 99 by 100 greater than or equal to 1 by 2 whole power n. 1 by 100 greater than or equal to 1 by 2 whole power n. 1 by 2 whole power n less than or equal to 0. Or 2 power n take reciprocal greater than or equal to 100. So 2 power 5 32, 2 power 6 64, 2 power 7 128. So n equal to 7, 8, 9 like that. So minimum value of required number of times equal to 7. So option D is correct. Next question, if 3 of the 6 vertices of a regular hexagon are chosen at random, then the probability that the triangle formed with these chosen vertices is equilateral is one by 10, 3 by 10, 1 by 5, 33 by 20. If 3 of the 6 vertices of regular hexagon are chosen at random, then the probability that triangle with these chosen vertices equilateral is So regular hexagon. Choosing three vertices of a regular hexagon alternatively only two equal triangles is possible. That is A1, A3, A1, A3, A5, A2, A4, 6 or A2, A4, A6. Record probability, number of equal triangles formed, that is 2 by 6C3. The total number of triangles formed, that is 6C3. Here favorable, 2 by 6 into 5 into 4 by 1 into 2 into 3, 2 into 3, 6 equal to 1 by 10. So option A is correct. Next question, let a random be x let a random variable x have a binomial distribution with mean 8 and variance 24 and variance 4. If probability of x less than equal to k by 2 power 16, then k is equal to 121, 137, 117. Mean 8 variance 4, that is NP equal 8, NPQ equal to 4. NPQ by NP 4 by 8. Q equal to 1 by 2. P equal to 1 minus Q. 1 minus 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2. NP equal to 8. N into 1 by 2 equal to 8. So N equal to 16. Probability of x equal to x. NCx p power x q power n minus x. 16cx 1 by 2 whole power x 1 by 2 whole power 16 minus x. That is 16cx 1 by 2 whole power 16. So probability of x less than equal to probability of x less than 2 equal to probability of x equal to 0 plus probability of x equal to 1 plus probability of x equal to 16 C naught 1 by 2 whole power 16, 16 C1 1 by 2 whole power 16 plus 16 C2 1 by 2 whole power 16. 1 by 2 whole power 16, the 16 C naught plus 16 C1 plus 16 C2 equal to 1 by 2 power 16, 16 NC naught equal to 1 plus 16 into 15 by 1 and 2. 1 by 2 power 16, 1 plus 16, 120. So 137 by 2 power 16. So probability of x less than equal to k by 2 power 16. This is equal to 137 by 2 power 16 equal to k by 2 power 16. K equal to 137. Option B is correct. For an initial screening of admission test, a candidate is given "50 problems to solve." If the probability that the candidate can solve any problem is 4/5, then the probability that he is unable to solve less than 2 problem is (164 by 24/5 48), 54/5 4/5 49, 201/5 1/5 49, 316/25 4/48. So you want to find probability of solving problem. Let's probability of solving problem Q equal to 4 by 5. Not solving problem. P equal to 1 minus q, 1 minus 4 by 5. Here we have to find the probability not solving, unable to solve less than 2 problems. So we have to consider this one is success. Probability of x equal to x. NCx p power x q power n minus x. Here n equal to 50. 50 cx 1 by 5 whole power x 50 minus x. The required that is probability of x less than 2, that is probability of x equal to 0 plus probability of x equal to 1, that is 50 c naught (1 by 5 equal to 0), 4 by 5 whole power 50 plus 50 c1 whole power 49. 4 by 5 whole power 50 1 by 5 4 by whole power 49. Four by 5 whole power 14 can be taken. Remaining we have 4 by 5. Then we cancel 10 times. So 54 by 5, 50 plus 50 by 5, 4 by 5 whole power 49. So option B is correct.